Out of the latest on the Karen Reed case. As hearings continue ahead of Karen Reed's retrial, Judge Beverly Cannoni abruptly suspending a hearing this week, saying she has grave concern over new information presented by prosecutors. Here's ABC 6 News reporter Caitlin Gelhaus.
Tuesday, hearings continuing ahead of a second Karen Reed murder trial, but taking a dramatic turn when the judge stopped everything for the day.
This judge can't do anything at all, zero, to prejudice any defendant, in this case, Miss Reed's, fundamental constitutional rights.
Reed is awaiting a second trial, accused of hitting her then boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, with her car and leaving him to die in the snow back in 2022. Her first trial ended in a mistrial when jurors deadlocked. Judge Beverly Cannoni saying at this week's hearing she has grave concern over new information presented by the state.
The implications of that information may have profound effects on this defense and defense counsel.
Hank Brennan, the special counsel now prosecuting the case for the state, claimed witnesses in the case were paid by the defense. According to Brennan, ARCA sent a bill to Reed's defense for almost $24,000. Defense attorney Alan Jackson denies that.
So there is email correspondence between the defense, not only the federal government, but the ARCA witnesses themselves.
Legal analyst Ken Schreiber says this case is rare, but these speed bumps in hearings ahead of the retrial are common with such a high-profile case.
This isn't your normal case, no. And this is not your normal way of looking at evidence. No, this is very specific, detailed. I want to make sure I'm right on everything. And if there is anything that is ambiguous, we need to resolve that, usually in chambers initially, and if not, on the bench. And that's what's happening now.
Schreiber adding the judge could disqualify Jackson as Reed's attorney.
This judge is, I think, going to examine the law as to what the accusations are, allow Alan Jackson to respond before the judge metes out any type of a decision or punishment, if you will, or ruling.
Reed is set to appear in court Tuesday to resume her pretrial hearing. I'm Caitlin Gelhaus, ABC 6 News.